Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Wednesday. It's Wildlife Wednesday, so that's exciting. And this is day 121 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And thank you so much for watching. We hope this is really helpful for you today. And for those of you that are new to our channel, we would love for you to subscribe down below by hitting that button so you don't miss out on all our daily videos.
So guys, today, as Allison said, it's Wildlife Wednesday, and we wanted to talk to you today about specifically pollinators and their favorite flowers.
Yeah, we're gonna take you on kind of a mini tour around our yard, and we're gonna point out flowers that will attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds specifically.
And we have two examples of flowers for each type of pollinator.
This is our second week of Wildlife Wednesday, and pollinators are wildlife too. You may not think of them that way because often you think of maybe just insects or birds or whatnot, but they're all part of the wildlife and all part of the ecosystem in your garden. And our goal, at least for Sean and I, we want to attract as many pollinators and other wildlife as we can, because that's a sign of a healthy ecosystem.
Yep, and it keeps your ecosystem healthy too. All those interactions, everything that happens between the insects and the plants and other wildlife, it keeps the natural balance of your ecosystem. So guys, here we are out in the front of our house, and here is a lavender plant and a Shasta daisy. The lavender's on the right, the Shasta's on the left. And if we just stand here, we can see a bunch of different bees and other insects like flies and different things all over these plants.
Yeah, they love lavender. What's awesome about lavender and Shasta daisies for the most part is they'll bloom pretty much all summer. Lavender will continue to bloom possibly into the late summer and maybe early fall. So this is a great pollinator plant because it'll provide nectar to these bees for months to come.
Yep. And then they collect all that pollen on their bodies to take to the next flowers. It's kind of a win-win for everybody.
So from our lavender to our Shasta daisies, like Sean mentioned, this is a great pollinator attractor. There aren't any bees on it right now because they're probably all over here on the lavender. But we see tons of bees on our Shasta daisies. They land in the center, they get pollen all over them, and then they fly around. So that's really cool.
There's another Shasta daisy. And again, like Allison said, we need to do some deadheading.
Don't mind those. So we are in our backyard now, and we wanted to talk to you about some plants you can add to your garden to attract more butterflies. There are actually a lot of different annuals and perennials you can add to your yard. So we were going to show you a blend of both. So right here we have petunias, and if you've watched our other videos, you've seen these featured before because we love them. And we also have some bacopa right here. And we have seen tons of butterflies landing on both of these plants. Actually, the lobelia has been attracting both bees and butterflies. So there's a bonus plant.
Yep, they just come and hang out. They literally walk from flower to flower across the whole plant. And the butterflies will stay there for like 5 or 10 minutes sometimes. It's crazy.
This is getting ahead a little bit, but petunias are great for hummingbirds too, so keep that in mind for later. So a great perennial you can add to your garden, and that will come back year after year, of course, coneflowers. And butterflies love coneflowers.
Apparently bumblebees like them too. Now look how open and look how flat these coneflowers are. They're perfect for a big winged butterfly, or even a small winged butterfly, to come over and just land and then get some nectar and grab some pollen.
Take a look at that bumblebee.
Look at him go, you guys. Jeez, he is just rocking and rolling. He's really going to town. Oh, bye.
Now a bonus for another butterfly attractor is this yarrow. Butterflies love yarrow as well. So, and plus all of these plants are drought tolerant.
So guys, for hummingbirds, another pollinator and part of wildlife, of course, they love our hot-lipped salvia. These flowers are perfect for them just to get right into and to get that nectar and to feed on. And we're gonna zoom in here. We've shown you this before in a couple other videos, but look at those flowers. They've got that tube, they're bent down, and they've got the long neck on them. Let's see if we can show that. There you go.
Just perfect for hummingbirds.
Oh yeah, look at that. So, and you can see this plant has got a lot of those flowers. So this is perfect for our hummingbirds that keep coming back day in, day out.
And another reason I would highly recommend adding this plant to your yard is it will bloom for a long time. It looks like it might have a lot of blooms that are spent, but it has a ton of blooms coming in. This will bloom all summer.
Yep, and therefore hummingbirds keep coming through the whole summer too.
So another plant to highlight that hummingbirds are all over this plant pretty much all day, the Fuchsia Basket, or just fuchsias in general. Look at the shape of those flowers. It's kind of like tubular or trumpet shaped, and they get right up in there and they'll hover all over this plant.
Those are perfect for our little hummingbirds.
So you guys, we hope that was helpful and gave you some ideas and maybe some inspiration for plants to add to your garden. If it's too late for you this season, you can always put it on a wish list for next year.
Yep, it's the old mantra, if you build it or if you plant it, the hummingbirds, the insects, the butterflies, they will come.
They will definitely come. And even if you're worried that you don't see them at first for a day or two, just be patient and all of a sudden your garden will be abuzz with all kinds of critters.
Yep, you'll hear it. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today's Wildlife Wednesday tip, and we'll be back tomorrow with another new project. So we hope to see you back here and have a great day ahead, you guys.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.